In life, what we expect, what we think, what we desire, what we wish for, we do not get it always whatever we want. As example, every one of us has a very good desires, very good wishes for anything. As I said, I never wanted to have a result without trophies. I do not wanted such a kind of function. The students are not ready. My wish, my desire is always to be a very perfect condition. But life does not gives you always what we think for. So now answer, the solution comes of it. When we expecting for good thing, when we expecting for success, when we are hopefully for achieving a perfect thing, but when we do not get it, so what to do that time? Because all of us, we are working, we are studying, we are having a very good goals. I want to be a doctor, I want to be whatever you are thinking. But when you thought, when you work, but you could not achieve that, what to do then? Now the answer comes here. You worked, you desired, you could not achieve. That time you have to wait. You have to think that might be the perfect thing is coming for me. Decisions are waiting for me, because what you are working for, you could not achieve them. Might be a perfect life, a perfect success, perfect way is waiting for you. So today if we are not getting trophies, today we are not getting, I can believe that I have a very strong belief on my Allah. A day will come, you will be very happy what you will get tomorrow. Why? Because as I said before, what we think for, what we hope for, always we may not get it. Because life is the meaning of, life is the name of zigzags, ups and downs. When you are on the up of your life, when everything goes fine, that time you have to be happy. When the down time comes, a time comes in your life when your friends, your colleagues, your parents, your brothers, all may not accept you, because they think you are going to be successful. For example, all of us, we are working hard. Tomorrow we not get what our parents will say, what our friends will say. They may laugh at us because we were working, we didn't get success. So that time, that's very hard time to deal with it. But when you learn to deal with your difficult time, that is a sign you are successful. That is a sign you are having a power to achieve big things. That is a sign you are a powerful person. So do not worry about such a kind of times. Okay, today's what we are thinking. As example, now the Eid is coming. We are having very good thoughts in our mind. I buy such a kind of clothes, I'll do this. But at the day of Eid, might be your clothes are not ready. So what to do? If you are a logical person, if you are having a very great mind, you will wear another cloth. But if you are narrow-minded, you will stop that day living. You will cry, you will sleep. My mean is that when difficult time comes, not worry about it. Because we are humans, every one of us having a difficult times, positive times, good times, bad times. So when the world is against you, be the friend of your own. When the life is pushing you to feel down, be your own motivation. When everyone is waiting for your failure, be the definition of your success. Because life is very beautiful. So learn to live it. Learn to how to deal with it.